welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. Welcome to my new subscribers, and if you have not subscribed already, go ahead and click the link down below to subscribe. So a little bit about my channel. I am not an experienced cooker, but I have to cook every day for my family. So I try new recipes, I do old recipes, I just cook. I love cooking, I love food, so yes. So I just want to share with you guys how I cook, because I know everybody cooks the different way and use a lot of different things. So I just feel like I'm different, so I just want to bring that difference to y'all. Alright, so let's get into the video. I am going to be making a dish that I came up with, and to be honest, I've never tried it before, but being a cook, I like to try new things, and I just be coming up with recipes in my head, and I'd be like, oh, that sounds good, so let me try it. Pretty much I'm going to be making a pasta because I love pasta. My favorite pasta is chicken Alfredo, but I try to come up with something a little different. So what I'm using today is a pasta called gemelli. It's called gemelli. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got my water boiling right now, so I'm gonna cook my noodles first because I feel like that it's gonna take longer than any of the other ingredients that I'm gonna be adding to the dish. So yeah, let me go ahead and add this to the water. So my water is boiling, so I'm gonna add a chicken bouillon cube inside the water, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of oil just so the noodles cannot stick. And that's what I do. And I'm just gonna add my noodles. Okay guys, so now that my noodles are boiling, I'm gonna let that cook. I'm going to chop up my vegetables. Okay, so the vegetables that I'm using is tomatoes, yellow squash, and zucchini squash. So and an onion. That's what I'm using. Alright, so I'm gonna chop this up. And I'm gonna chop it up in, bite-sized pieces. So I'm gonna slice it in half. Well, I'm gonna cut the ends off. And I'm gonna slice it in half. So I sliced it down the middle. I probably won't use all four. I'll probably just use just one of each. Okay, so now that I got all of my vegetables chopped up, I'm going to add my meat. And the meat of choice that I'm using is the sweet Italian style chicken sausage. This is what it looks like. So yeah, I'm going to chop these up. And these sausages actually have red and green peppers in it, so gonna add these to the bowl. Alright guys, so now that I got everything chopped up, I'm gonna go ahead and bring y'all over to the stove. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some garlic and herb butter inside of my pot to give it some flavor. I'm gonna add this in there. I'm gonna add my onions in there. I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna just and then I'm gonna add my meat. I'm gonna add my chicken. Alright, so I took my pasta out. I'm letting it drain right now, and I'm still cooking the sausage, and now I'm about to add in, and now I'm adding in my zucchini squash and my yellow squash. And we're gonna cook this until the squash cooks, until it gets soft. So now while this is still cooking, I'm going to add some pepper, and a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna keep cooking this till it gets translucent or soft. Okay, so now I'm gonna add my tomatoes. And now that I added my tomatoes, I'm gonna add my pasta. And now I'm gonna cut this on low. And now I'm gonna cut this on low. And now I'm gonna add some Bertolli vodka sauce. I'm not gonna add a lot, I'm just gonna add a little bit, just to like soften it up, just so it won't be like dry. Okay guys, so yes, that was the final result of the pasta. So yeah, I thank you guys for watching the video. If you guys liked it, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So y'all know I cannot end this video without tasting it, okay? And this is how it looks. I'm gonna show y'all. This is how it looks. All right, so now let's taste it. Let's get every little. It's good. I mean, it could have added some more salt to it, but I think it's pretty good the way it is, honestly. You don't want to add too much salt, but it's good. I feel like the sausage adds the flavor to it. So y'all, I know this is behind the scenes. I added a little bit of cheese to it. I added a little bit of cheese to it. Yeah, and it tastes good, y'all. Y'all should add some cheese if y'all like cheese, if y'all can handle cheese. But yeah, I added some cheese to it.